What's up, Facebook and YouTube? Show you guys how you bake a pizza on a wood stove. There's the starting process. I'll show you back here. And hey YouTube, this is Doug again. For you guys, want to talk about people getting in this kind of stuff, and your tents and stuff that you need to get. A lot of it, comes to experience. And what's up, YouTube? This is Doug. Back on this freaking cold Sunday morning. It's freaking like -8 degrees out. I mean, it's just stupid cold. What's up, Facebook? I'm making this little reel for people that are thinking about getting something. What's up, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok? Coming at you guys with another video. And make this video now on how to properly use your stove. A lot of times, when you're using a wood stove, it's something that comes with, experience over. What's up, you guys? I hope you're staying warm on a Sunday morning. Continue the video. Get this old oak here. What's up, Facebook, TikTok? What's up, TikTok? Got Doug here again. It's freaking Monday afternoon. I don't need somebody sitting next to me telling me they're pissing down my back. When you're pissing down my back, I'm going to show you how I'm going to piss down your back.
I just want to play with you. It'll only help for a second.
Are you sure?
I'll put you back together. And then you'll die. Again.
Mommy's good old dogs and God.
Hey guys, me and Blue. Alright guys, this is sorry applying to a comment, and also let you guys know I'm gonna be changing my channel to Doug and Blues Adventures, just because the way this channel's going, until I get the property to completely off grid. But I want to reply to a comment about me dropping the N-word last night in my live. That was for parasites. There's not one racist bone in my body. And if you're a parasite, you're a leech. And you just want to gossip and cause commotion in somebody's life, because that's just how sad you're offered in life. Shoe fits, then wear it. But there's no one racist word in this white voice. Not racist at all. You give me respect, I give you respect back. But you want to come and try to gossip and worry about, what's going on here or going on there, you're a sad being. But you guys, thanks for all your support. You know who I am. I'm not perfect. I sin every day. But I'll see you guys in a few weeks. And like I said, we're going to end up changing this channel.
Don't pay no attention to him. Dude, get a 12-pack and just fucking, or case, and just keep it in the fucking, in your cooler. And whenever you want to, have a drink, man, fuck these motherfuckers. You know what got to me, dude? When I first met you, these motherfuckers wanted to put you in a hospital and shit. And I'm like, this dude, what are you talking about? This guy's not an alcoholic. You know what I mean? Oh my God. You had a bunch of women calling you, and they were like, hey man, you know, I want to put you in, and I'm against alcohol. I'm like, I mean, you know, you're not.
Hi, Felicia. I'm here. I'm just letting him talk.
Go
I
ahead,
just
Doug.
waking up.
Go, cook something up, man. Fry some shit up, man. Fry some shit up, man.
No, you go ahead. You go ahead. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You go ahead.
What I was gonna say is all the people that have been in here. See this Violet Hottie Cakes? That's a troll account right there. I've seen it in SP's live. You know, it's very easy to see this stuff. You can watch ISYBW on this stuff. You go into.
I can't even look at it no more.
Well, it's not live right
It's probably
now.
a good idea. He probably doesn't need to.
Probably,
I mean,
but
it's
But you look at Jeffrey, you look at Tamori Teller, or sorry, Lies of Tamori, aka SP, Doug's Security, Leslie, all the people who have gifted you, Doug. You sat there and said yourself, Doug, your revenue slowed down. Well, think about it, Doug. They're taking out your mods, who are your gifters. Let's be honest, they're your general gifters, one by one. Doug, I gifted you. I'll say it out loud. I don't care. I gifted you at least $100 this past week. And it doesn't mean shit to me. I don't care. I don't care that I gifted you $100 because you know what? That's for you, your dog. You want to spend it on beer? Drink one for me. You want to spend it on cigarettes? Smoke one for me. I don't care what you spend your money on. It is your money, Doug. But listen, me and you, and I'm not going to say the other people, we went face to face the other day. You looked me in the face, Doug. I gave you my personal information, Doug. Why the hell would I do that if I wanted to troll you? Think about it.
Well, exactly. That's why we all put it out there.
But
That's
Doug,
what
you
I'm-
gotta, you gotta, no matter, listen, if you're drinking or not, I don't care, but you gotta ask for receipts from these people before you blame me or any of your other mods or anybody. You gotta get receipts
And
on
they
it.
do that. Yes,
Receipts
they will
don't
do
lie.
that.